Poodle. Kay nadawat na mo ang mong order from Zillow! Hopefully, sakto na nga mo mga na-order. Hopefully, nagbasa namin sa description. Kaya we really have to assemble our lavender. Kaya we have a lot of orders. So here we go. This is the moment of truth. And the moment of truth is here. Yay! Finally! Suddenly it happened to me. Yay! I'm so happy. So, Moni, actually, these are the original sticks that we ordered. If you saw my first vlog. Pero ang niabot, asa ko to says? Na siya ona siya niya. So see the difference. Wait a minute, 15 minutes. Charan! Ay, baliktad. Charan! Oh, look at the difference, my friend. So now it's perfect. It's perfect. We're excited to assemble our lavenders. If you want to order, please WhatsApp, okay? Yay, so and many more. Puro sticks actually. Okay, we have a lot of flowers too. Your shape. Okay, and then we also ordered gani trial. This is a trial order. Gamay. Because this is where you ubok the, you know what's ubok? Ubok by Bisaya, where you ubok the flower. Sample. We sampled to ubok the flower. The long on the flower, right? So we put this in the vase and then we ubok the flower like yes! Para magindog siya. And then, napaisa, madili ni sure, pero we expect na mga mabudol ni Ani. Na, I think not. Wire. Pwede na Kenny? Pwede siya kayo. I think so. Is this what you wanted? Wala man siya pang fishing. Isa siya. O pang fishing na siya. May nakabutang beautiful to lure and pray.